Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am a financial analyst. I do videos on side hustles, passive income, entrepreneurship, and all things money. Today, we are talking all about the jobs that AI is taking away, the jobs that AI is making automated and eliminating the use for humans. So I'm going to go over 16 jobs today, and then we're going to talk about what we can do to solve this problem and stay in the game. All right, let's get started. They all said, don't worry, creative jobs and analytical jobs cannot be taken over by AI. Those are AI proof. Wrong. Those jobs are being taken over while we speak. So while you were deciding what kind of milk to pour in your coffee, AI swooped right in and is taking so many of our jobs. So a lot of big companies right now are quietly replacing humans with AI. There's no big headline. It's quick and it's silent and it's leaving a sea of empty desks. I'm going to show you 2 skills you can't automate and 3 ways to solve this problem if your job is one of the jobs listed here, and a 3-step playbook that is going to keep you from being next. Let's get into it right now. Number 1 is an entry-level banking investment analyst. Large companies have now rolled out AI systems to do all of this work. So they take in all the data and then they just spit out pitch books that are perfect, which is all done before you've had your morning bagel. Analysts who have once billed 80 hours are now just prompt reviewers at the end of the process. Number 2 is a junior programmer or a routine coding specialist. So GitHub Copilot X is an AI software that Stripe and Spotify use, and right now it's making about 46% of their code, which is what their humans used to do. So think of it like this. If you have a house being made perfectly by AI, all that's left for you to do is do the interior design. So that is what's happening at these companies. Stripe actually let go of 3.5% of their junior programmers quietly, clearing their space in their payroll for AI. All right, number 3 is paralegals. AI software now is able to find so much evidence in stacks and stacks of paper. This used to take paralegals weeks to do, what it only takes AI minutes to do. Now, law firms have caught on and they're replacing their paralegals with AI software that can comb through evidence and pinpoint all of the things they need for their legal documents to be prepared. So number 4 is bookkeepers. So I know we've all heard of QuickBooks and software like QuickBooks, but QuickBooks specifically is using an AI software that can add transactions, can build financial statements, all while the bookkeeper has a hands-off approach. So now it's like AI is building the car on the assembly line, no hands-on from you, and you just step in if a door or something like that is misaligned at the end of the process. Number 5 is market research analyst. You can now use the AI platform to analyze consumer data, social media trends, and human behavior. Like, what are people going to search for? What are people going to buy next? The human capability, the human position is shrinking just to review all the data that AI has sent back. Okay, number 6 is a translator. Right now, there's a lot of AI software, but for example, AI software like Google and DeepL, translators are becoming the digital camera to the old human film camera. Human beings are being pushed out of this translating profession because AI can do it more accurate and a lot faster. Number 7 is graphic designer. For high-value work, tools like Midjourney are becoming the fast food of the graphic design world, leaving real humans just to do the chef work. So not a lot of small businesses need a specialist to create a logo or to do a social media banner or things like that. Now AI can do it with a simple 1-sentence prompt. Number 8, proofreader. Grammarly and other AI softwares are now really advanced at catching mistakes, not just grammatic mistakes, but style mistake and all these other type of things that the human eye was only able to do. But now with the advance and practice of AI with these proofreading platforms, human beings are not really needed until the very last step to just kind of proofread before it goes out. So number 9 is a customer service rep. So I know that you've probably run into this before, but AI chatbots make up about 80% of the customer initial interaction, which is just leaving real humans to step in when they have to deal with customers whose problem can't be handled with a chatbot, which is eliminating jobs for a lot of customer service agents. Number 10 is a data entry clerk. So this AI software that has optical character recognition, which just means it not only is copying the document, but it's copying it, scanning it for accuracy, pulling out the data that it needs, and filing that data away. So this means that it's very accurate and it can do it fast, which means you don't need a real human sitting there inputting data from one system into another system. Number 11, telemarketers. Now, AI can do thousands of telemarketing calls at once. It can navigate all of the telemarketing scripts like a GPS navigates a complicated city. But this action can replace a whole human-led cold calling floor with just one AI platform. Number 12 is contract language tutor. Duolingo has a new AI software that is a vocal chameleon. Over 40 languages, no accent, and has personalized drills better than a human. This is why private language schools in places like Seoul and Sao Paulo are trimming 60% of their contract language staff. Number 13, radiologists. So there's an FDA-approved AI algorithm that is able to analyze medical imaging like X-rays and CT scans, and they can scan it for diseases, and they can scan it with the best accuracy. So what does this mean for radiologists? This means that there's not a need for as many radiologists, and the ones who are working with this AI software are really only there to verify the last few steps. Number 14, insurance underwriter. AI softwares for companies like Lemonade process claims in seconds without human error. It's kind of like a high-speed court judge who is getting all the evidence and then quickly making a decision. This leaves little room for your human insurance underwriter. Number 15 is technical writer. Now AI can generate user manuals by analyzing source code data. This means that humans are only needed at the end process to review what AI has already done. Kind of like the architect drawing all of the lines and then somebody coming in to review it like a city planner. Number 16 is social media manager. And there's so many AI platforms out there that can schedule your posts, write your posts, can build your whole content calendar, all while your virtual assistant that used to do that can focus on bigger picture things for you and your business. And that was my last one. I hope that this helped you out. I do have another video of the rest of them. I have 14 other ones that I'm going to share with you guys, but this video was getting kind of long. So if this helped you out a little bit and kind of helped you to look at AI in a different way, also in the next video, I'm going to have some strategies of what we can do to beat this if one of your jobs is on the list. So go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that next video. And when the video is done, I will put it right here somewhere so that you can click on it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.